Yeah, good day everyone. Go by name Skywet. If you are watching my video for the first time, like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, making money online is what everybody wants now. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make hundreds of dollars daily from Clickbank affiliate marketing and thousands of dollars weekly from Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that I have trained, and I just want to display his account again so that you can see that he's still getting sales and making money through Clickbank affiliate marketing. So I want to share with you a few tips on affiliate marketing that can help you to become a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about. Yes, so that a niche can be described as a group of products which you wish to sell. And in Clickbank affiliate marketing, you have different type of niche. You have the health and fitness, you have the computer, you have different type of niche. So it's just a category for the kind of product you want to promote. Maybe under health now, you can have belly fat, drugs that remove belly fat, or a diabetes drug, different type of drug under health and fitness niche. Let me show you. So as I was saying, you have to choose a niche that you are passionate about, that you are familiar with. Maybe you know about products on health or fitness, computer, software, any niche you are familiar with. You can choose that. Also, you have to research and find reputable affiliate program. Yeah, you have to find a reputable affiliate program. Create valuable content that promotes the product service. Yes, for example, if you are promoting products under software, you can find you can create content that are related to software. Maybe you can create animation videos. Sometimes you can put it in the adverts are going to be sending to your leads or traffics, so that they can have a better idea of what you are talking about or what you are about to say to them. So I'll build an audience through social media or a blog. Yes, from the leads you've generated, you have to build an audience. Maybe through email. You can scrape emails to build an audience. Yeah, you have to track your results and optimize your strategy. Yeah, you have to know the effectiveness of the affiliate strategy which you've put in place. For instance, maybe you use a paid traffic system. Maybe you paid Instagram to create adverts for your affiliate product to some targeted audience. You need to know how effective the promotion was, so that you know how to go about it next time. So yeah, talking about affiliate marketing, Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yeah, Clickbank affiliate marketing is a platform where you can promote products, to audience online and get sales on every product you sell. Yes, the higher the number of products you sell, the higher your commission. Also, the higher the price of the products, the higher your commission also. So I was talking about promotion, that you can promote. We have free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system is a method whereby you pay digital platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube to create adverts for your product to targeted audience for you to get sales. You can also pay freelancers or maybe Upwork or Fiverr. Yeah, also let me talk about the free traffic system, which is where I'm coming. As an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and I have the software which generates targeted audience online from digital platform like Instagram, and promote your affiliate product to this targeted audience for you to get commission. Yeah, so with my software, you are going to be having access to a large number of sales which can generate commission which is up to $500, $600, $700 on a daily basis, and you can get $4,000, $5,000 weekly from the commission which my software is going to be generating for you. So to get my software and video course and start on any of affiliate marketing platform, yes, because my software is applicable to any affiliate marketing platform, not only Clickbank. You can use it on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify Store, any affiliate marketing platform. And also, I have recorded a complete video guide that will guide you step by step from even opening a Clickbank account to you using my software to get targeted audience online. So you can always contact me on my Gmail at skymeto71@gmail.com, or on my Telegram through this number you can see on the screen, to get my software and video course and start on any of your affiliate marketing platforms.